My name is Tom Schultz, and welcome to Foraging 101. Hi, I am Tom Schultz, and I am a raspberry professional. Welcome to Foraging 101 on how to pick raspberries. So, what you must do first is observe your berries and make sure they are very ripe. Perhaps this one right here, it is a very dark red color, almost burgundy. And you must look very closely and make sure there are no insects. What you must do here is make sure and observe there is no insects at all around these pearls. Neither bug dung or any dung in general. So, if there is none of that, the berry is simply safe to eat. And you need to make sure all these pearls are intact and gooey, and it's ready. It's just like fruit gushers when I was a child. Oh man. That is juicy. Wow. Starting to see some stars. Wow. Oh my. I don't think that was any ordinary raspberry. It's a pearl from oblivion that makes you see. Oh man, we're on a hill? It makes you feel. These emotions are trembling. And the smells. The smell is powerful. And the smells are intensifying. And the bushes are speaking. They speak through sound and vibration. The ground is fertile. I am the universe. Oh. I'm Tom Schultz, and this was Foraging 101.